Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2021 Peugeot Partner van, stock reference number 7449. The shape runs from the second month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.2 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine with radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet has one small dent. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear steel wheel with a good tyre, 16-inch. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the powered window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Center console, gearbox switch, heater controls, media player, camera, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel.